yo.
What me say? Water cycle, me said it. Water cycle. Water cycle, me said it. Water cycle. Today we're going to learn about the water cycle, the air, the land, even saturation. When the sun is land, sun your meditation, it results in a term called evaporation. Water cycle, me said it. Water cycle. Water cycle, me said it. Water cycle. When steam condense turn water droplets, condensation occurs, then the clouds them mix. Clouds them swell, that a saturation. When they reach menstrual precipitation. Water cycle, we said it. Water cycle. Water cycle, we said it. Water cycle. Precipitation reaches and there is no infiltration. That a surface flow over the land. You know this? Water cycle, we said it. Water cycle. Water cycle, we said it. Water cycle. Additional support that is such as teaching approach methodologies, while with the old one you have to look at the objective and say, okay, this is how we will be best for our student. Good? I will touch on somebody from history just now where they said it would be almost impossible to complete the syllabus, right? I don't know whoever completes syllabus, but what the new geography syllabus does, it lays the foundation so the building don't crack up down the road. There has been a change in the C6 syllabus, and even though we're focusing on grade 7, what you will realize is that the grade 7 curriculum now is tailored to suit the needs of the CSC curriculum, right? So you're exposing the students to almost everything early, and everything on the surface. You increase on it as they go along. So when you're in C6, the building is very strong. You just put on your roof and paint. You understand?
One ticket, I said, that's the one. Tick it up. Can one of them do my paper, my you?
Turn it again now.
I portfolio now and said, this one, sure. Yeah, understand.
I'm not supposed to keep turning your thing.
At first, good teacher, she never have any.
You can tell you.
Rocks, melted.
Igneous.
Like, put it in a pot, sedimentary rocks.
Me say the rock. When heat and pressure, put under that, it change and form, make a coffee. Me say the rock. When rocks break down and go underground, more heat come and melt them down. Me say the rock. Some stay underground, some cool down and farm rocks down.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.